Good news for undocumented construction workers. Undocumented construction workers in Canada no longer have to worry about their job and future in the country, since the expansion of a pilot project to help them gain permanent residency has been announced. We'll talk more about it in today's video. What are your thoughts about this new change? Let us know in the comments below. Now, to begin with the topic of today's discussion. In an attempt to tackle the labor shortage in skilled trades, the federal government plans to allocate permanent residence spots to up to 1,000 workers, including their family members, annually. Previously, this number stood at 500 workers. Moreover, a small-scale pilot project aimed at offering permanent residence for out-of-status construction workers, already employed in the industry, is also being expanded by the federal government. This is being done to tackle Canada's housing crisis. Potential applicants first need to identify themselves to the Canadian Labour Congress, which is going to pre-screen candidates. Consequently, qualified candidates will be referred to the Immigration Department for final assessment. It is important to note here that the deadline to apply is the 2nd of January 2024 for all eligible candidates. An immigration minister stated that the pilot program is an increasingly beneficial move to address critical labor shortages in the Greater Toronto Area. Furthermore, the program is going to provide some kind of stability in the construction sector, while helping workers come out of the underground economy. The immigration minister further added that this program is not just about protecting workers and their families, but it is also aimed at helping Canada's labor market by making it capable of retaining skilled workers required to grow the country's economy. So, who qualifies for the Construction Workers Pilot Program? It should be noted that only undocumented workers residing in Durham, Halton, Toronto, Peel and York areas qualify for this program. Let's talk about the eligibility requirements. An applicant must have entered Canada legally as a temporary resident and stayed for a minimum of 5 years. An applicant must have proof of making payments for the Canadian income tax. An applicant needs to have a family member residing in Canada as a permanent resident or Canadian citizen. The family member could also be a child or spouse. An applicant must have lived in Canada lawfully, without committing any offences that could make them inadmissible to Canada. However, continuing to live in Canada by breaching immigration law is excluded from the list of offences. As far as the job categories that fall under this program are concerned, they include commercial and residential installers and services, trades and skilled transport and equipment operators, construction trades helpers and labourers, heavy equipment operators, and maintenance and equipment operation trades. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.